Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here. Today I'm going to show you how to remove yourself from tagged posts on Facebook. So all those annoying posts that people tag you in, you can remove all of those tags at once with this awesome trick. So here we are on the profile. You can click on these three dots, then we're going to go to the activity log. Once here, we'll click on Manage Your Tags, and now you can see all of the activity we've been tagged in. Start selecting any of these posts and hit remove, and it will automatically delete and remove yourself from those tags. So you can scroll through here, you can see these are really old, but check out any that you like, remove yourself from the tags. It's a great way to simplify your life. So if you have any questions, please comment below. In addition, if you can't figure it out, comment below. Also hit the like button and hit the subscribe button on this channel, and stay tuned to future videos to help you out online. Until next time.